Why hello my magical friends, today we're taking you along for a fun-filled day as we explore the Sesame Street rides and splash pad at SeaWorld Orlando. The kids had a blast, then we tried to end our evening with a chill stroll through Disney Springs, but the Florida weather had other plans. So come along for the memories, the fun, and unexpected downpour that wrapped up our wild day. If you have toddlers, you know that the Sesame Street land at SeaWorld is the place to be. They have such cute attractions, such as the Elmo Choo train, which my kids are all a fan. They have the caboose, you can sit in the front, and any age can really go on this. So my little baby was able to ride as well as my two other toddlers, and they loved it. Along the trail, you can spot different caterpillars and bugs, and they just had a blast on this ride. After this, we went to the play area where you can just get the jitters out, and then we decided to go see Cookie Monster and Elmo. The coolest thing is that you can meet a lot of your favorite Sesame Street characters near Hopper's store. They're gonna have a designated area for you to make the queue, get some snacks while you're doing it, and end up hugging them, giving them high fives, taking sweet pictures and videos of them. And you can find here Elmo, Cookie Monster, Abacadabby, and more. So if you're ever hot, this is a great place to get some AC, meet some characters, and also do snack time, because that's exactly what my kids are doing right now in the stroller. Actually seen Abacadabby as well as Big Bird in this area, so really pop in and just check out who is actually there, because they rotate the characters quite often. I think we've even seen Grover here, which is really nice. And if you're in the mood for a little bit of shopping, they do have the store here where you can grab lots of cute Sesame Street souvenirs. And I'm not gonna lie, I really like a lot of their clothing, hats. It's such cute, bright colors. Obsessed. After this, we went to the Rubber Ducky Waterworks. It is one of the top attractions in Sesame Street land and a must visit, especially for families looking to beat the Florida heat. And if you know anything about Florida, it can get hot. But they feature fountains, water jets, splash zones. They're all inspired by Ernie and his beloved Rubber Ducky, and it is such a fun place for kids of all ages to just cool off, get the jitters out, and really have some fun. And right next to this, they do have these drying machines. They cost $6, but they do work, I will say that. We took off all their little clothes, left them in diapers, and it got so nice and warm and cozy that after this, we went to the baby care center and put on their clothes so that they were nice and dry. The baby care center, they have several changing tables, lots of seating, and dedicated nursing areas. So if you're a mom who is currently nursing, look for this area because you're going to have AC and it's going to be nice and quiet for you to be able to nurse. And we have made it to Disney Springs with the brothers! The brothers in town! Like good old times! So we're gonna be seeing the drone show tonight and probably try to eat something good. Spoiler alert, we did not end up seeing the drone show because we got rained out. We had dinner at Earl & Sandwich. I had a delicious buffalo wrap. The kids had mac and cheese, and we had obviously the lemonade because it was hot. And then we went to Once Upon a Toy. It's a toy store that is located in the marketplace area of Disney Springs. And honestly, it's the perfect area for you to just hide out from rain or even the heat. It's a huge toy store where guests can really immerse themselves with the whimsical world of Disney toys. There's vibrant displays and interactive elements that make it a really nice spot for you to just hide out from any elements that may be ruining your vibe, honestly. And then after that, we walked around Disney Springs and just saw all the huge characters. The kids always love seeing the Mickey, Minnie's, Buzz Lightyear's, Mr. Potato Head. They just have so much fun. And that was basically our third day of our Disney trip. We tried to end the night at Disney Springs with a little stroll and a drone show, but the Florida weather had other plans and gave us a full-on rain shower instead. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time, mwah.